Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your image smaller on Squarespace. So for that we need to go to squarespace.com. On the top left here you will need to click on get started, and here are sample templates. I like the first one, so let's choose it. So let's name it sample since we are doing this for the sake of video. So here is our sample website, so let's edit it. So here you can see an image. We need to size it down, so click on it and then you will see a box at the corner. You need to click and drag it. So you can see we have made the image smaller, and then obviously you can drag it around to position it. It was a very easy process. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel for future tutorials.